All right, hey guys, welcome back from spring break. Hopefully you had a really fun time not going anywhere, but at least you didn't have to do schoolwork in the meantime. So today you guys are going to be answering questions for Chapter 6, which you read before break, so make sure that you kind of look back over that and reacquaint yourself with the passage. And then you're going to be reading Chapter 7. So Chapter 7 is Shadows and Tall Trees, so we're going to get to see a pig killing, which is always very exciting. Ralph is going to participate in a pig killing for the first time, which is important because it has a pretty significant effect on his character. He starts to understand why Jack enjoyed it so much. So I want you to pay attention to that. We're also going to see a resurgence of the chant, the, kill the pig, bash it in, cut their throat. Like, that is going to come back, and they're going to take that play up into another level. So I want you to pay careful attention to that. And what does this kind of show us about the evolving nature of the boys in the forest? The last thing that's going to happen is that Jack, Ralph, and Roger, I believe, are going to go and confront the beast on the mountain. So we're going to see Jack truly scared for the first time as well, which again is pretty important character development. And we're going to kind of see, Ralph is going to be described as not a very good chess player. And I want you to think about what that means about Ralph's character, right? It's not actually that he's not going to be good at chess. Who cares about that? He's stuck on an island. What point is our narrator really trying to make here about Ralph's personality and his ability to lead these kids on the island? And what might that be foreshadowing for later on, okay? And then we'll do something with Chapter 7 tomorrow. Bye, guys.